Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video I have for you another PR haul. I asked you guys in a poll here on YouTube on my community tab what kind of videos you guys want to see, and a lot of people said they like watching PR hauls. So I have another one for you guys today. This haul is kind of like probably the past 2 weeks of things that I've gotten. So before we get into everything that I was sent, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now with Faith, Drew, and Allegra Chetty. I will have it up here in the cards, and then I'll also have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to enter that. You guys do not want to miss out on that giveaway. Today's post notification shout out goes to the Cuts family. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out on one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have your notifications turned on. That's it. It's super easy. All right, so let's just go ahead and get into all of my PR packages. So the first package I have here is from CAUDALIE. I think I'm saying that correctly. This is a French skincare brand. So they first sent over their Vino Perfect Essence. You guys have seen on my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, that I did a little video, a skincare video, and I was using this product. I have been testing this one out and the other one that I am about to show you guys. I don't really have a real opinion on them yet because I just started using them, but this says that it's supposed to unveil a brighter, softer, and refined skin in a single step. So I've never used an essence before. This does have really good reviews on the Sephora website. So yeah, I'm really excited to continue using both of the products that I'm about to show you guys. The next one is the Vino Perfect Serum. This is the Radiant Serum. This says that it's supposed to correct dark spots and prevents them from reappearing. It just makes your complexion even and radiant. So you're supposed to apply this in the morning and at night. I've only been applying this once a day just because I have really sensitive skin and I like to introduce things into my skincare routine really slowly. I am hoping to have a skincare routine up for you guys soon. I don't want to do one and then find out that it's really not working for me. I really want to just post it whenever I'm 100% certain that everything is working perfectly for my skin. So that is everything that I was sent from CAUDALIE. Thank you so much for sending me over these products. So the next package I have here, you're probably thinking it's from Grande Cosmetics, but it's not. I got my first PR package from Buxom. I am so excited about this, you guys. I'm gonna do a whole video on these products sometime this week, probably towards the end of the week. So they sent over their new limited edition Pastel Dreams full-on lip plumping cream collection. So I am in love with the Buxom full-on lip creams. I love the shade White Russian. That's a staple makeup product. So we have all of these shades right here. I really want to do a lip swatch video of all of these. So the first shade is called Mauve Collins. So this is what the packaging looks like. The normal Buxom lip creams are they're in a frosted bottle like this, but they have silver, I'm pretty sure. So this one is a really pretty, ooh, I like this one. This one is a light pink nude. By the way, these smell amazing. If you guys have never tried these, I definitely recommend them. They are a really pigmented lip gloss. They do have a plumping effect. So the next shade is called Mojito. This one looks really cool. This is a mint green. So there's that one. I really want to see how this looks on the lips. So White Russian is in here. So I love this one. This one is peachy nude. There is it right there. The next shade is called Lavender Cosmo. Wow, this one looks really bright. So there is that one right there. Next we have the shade Creamsicle, which looks more of a corally pink. Ooh, this one's really pigmented. There's that one right there. And then the last shade is called Fuzzy Navel. That is a really weird name. This one also looks like a coral shade, but this one looks a lot lighter. Ooh, I know I'm gonna really like this one. Here is that shade right there. So they also sent me over these lip liners, I believe these are. These are the Buxom Plump Line lip liners. Yeah, so they sent me 4 shades. I have never tried, I've never tried one of these before. So there's a brush on one side. Oh, so these are a lip crayon. Wow. So these are a really cool concept. I love the brush on one side. I'm not gonna swatch all these, but they sent me over the shade White Russian, which again is that peachy nude. They sent over the shade Hush Hush. And then we have Dolly Danger, which is more of like, this is kind of like a mauve-y pink. And then the last shade is Incognito, which is kind of like a brownish nude. So that is everything that Buxom sent me. Thank you so much, Buxom, for sending me all of these lip products. I'm really excited to try all of them out. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that lip swatch video down in the comments below, because I definitely want to do that. So the next PR package I have here is from Ofra. This box is so cool, you guys. So this is the Ofra and Francesca Tollett collection. So I did film a video on this entire collection. It is the makeup that I'm wearing right now. I'm going to be doing like a review and tutorial with these products. So this collection does come with this eyeshadow palette, which is what I'm wearing obviously on my eyes right now. It is so beautiful. I really love the colors in here. And then also they sent over the Gilded palette, which is a face palette with 2 bronzers and then 2 blush shades. And they also sent me over the liquid lipstick set. This comes with like a red, a berry shade, and then we also have the pinky nude, which is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And then the last thing that they sent me that also comes in this collection is the mini little liquid lipstick. This is like a gold metallic liquid lipstick. So that is everything that I was sent from Ofra. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the last PR package that I have to show you guys, which is from Sigma. So this is a pretty big package that I have here. So first up, they sent me a bunch of like brush cleaning supplies, because I'm going to be doing like a takeover on Sigma's Instagram and showing you guys how I clean my brushes with these products, because these are the products that I use. So they just sent me like some new ones because I am kind of running low. I'll do like an Instagram video of how I clean my brushes as well. I've done one in the past, but I'm definitely going to do another one to show you guys. So they sent me the Sigma Spa brush cleaning glove. I'm so excited to try this. I actually don't have this one. I've always wanted to try one of the brush cleaning gloves out. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. And then they also sent me another Sigmagic scrub. I've gone through a few of these. I really like to clean my brushes with this because it's just super easy and quick. And then they also sent me more of the Sigmagic foam. This is also a brush cleaner, and then they also sent the liquid version of that. So Sigma recently came out with some new brow products, so they sent me over some of those. So I'm really excited to try these out. First up, we have this little Sigma Color and Shape Brow Powder Duo. I really like to use a brow powder on like an everyday basis. I don't use like pomade. So they sent over the shade Medium, which looks perfect. These are like really nice like taupey shades. And then they also sent over the brow pomade, which you guys know I love to use whenever I am filming. So this shade is also medium as well. This looks like a pretty close match to my Anastasia Dip Brow. I would say that the Sigma one is just a little bit more of a warm brown than the Anastasia one. So then we have a whole bunch of other brow products here. They sent over their Prime and Control Brow Wax. I don't think I've ever used a brow wax, so I'm really curious about this. And then they also sent over 2 of their Tint and Tame brow gels. They sent the shade Medium, I believe this is. Yeah, this one is in the shade Medium. And then they also sent over the clear version of their brow gel. And then they also sent me their Fill and Blend brow pencil. This is also in the shade Medium. And then the last brow product that they sent me is their Clean Up and Highlight brow crayon, which I really want to try this out. And then all of the last products that they sent me are all makeup brushes, which you guys know I'm like obsessed with my Sigma brushes. You guys know that I love Morphe brushes, but honestly these Sigma brushes are just like way better quality. And I've had some of my Sigma brushes for like years, and they seriously are just as like good as whenever I first got them. Like, look at all of these brushes they sent me. So I'm just gonna go through these kind of like randomly because they're just all over my table right now. The first one they sent me is the P87 Edge Precision Brush. This brush looks really interesting. This looks like it'll be really good for like cleaning up any kind of like mistakes along your eyeshadow with like concealer. They also sent me their E65 Small Angled Brush, which I really like to use these kind of brushes for my brows. They also sent over the E75 Angled Brow. So this one's actually, I guess, meant for brows. These two brushes look very similar, but the bristles are a little bit different. And then they also sent over their E35 Tapered Blending Brush, which you guys know I love this brush. I already have that one. Anything that I already have, I'll probably just put the new ones in a giveaway because I don't need like duplicates of every brush. I mean, a few I like to have duplicates of, but not all of them. Then we have the F25 tapered face brush, which is just like a nice powder brush. They also sent over their F15 dual fiber powder blush, which I do already have this right here. I love this brush for applying blush. Then we also have the 4D HD Precision brush. This one also looks really cool. This is like a pointed little, I don't know what you would use this for. Oh, this says it's for precise concealer blending. I'm definitely gonna have to try this one out. Then we also have the F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter, which I'm pretty sure I already have this brush as well. And then we have the 3D HD Kabuki, which I think I do have this one again as well. Next, we have the E20 Short Shader Brush, which is like one of my all-time favorite brushes. I used it today to put this green along my lower lash line. I use this brush like all the time. And then we have the E30 pencil brush, which I don't think I have this brush, and I love a good pencil brush, so yeah, I'm really excited about this one. And then the last brush is the E25 brush, which I think I only have one of these brushes, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this one because this is like my all-time favorite blending brush. So that is everything that Sigma sent over. Thank you so much, Sigma, for sending me all of these products. So that is all I have to show you guys in today's PR haul. I'm definitely planning on doing more of these videos, so I hope you guys are enjoying them so far. If you are, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys enter that giveaway I was talking about at the beginning of today's video. It'll be linked in my description box below. Also, I'll have links to all of the products that I mentioned in today's video there as well if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.